So is the grout in your ceramic tile looking a little dirty and tired? Don't worry, I'm gonna help you fix it in 15 minutes with some simple products and a simple tool. You wanna start with an oxy type cleaner. These cleaners are what they call an oxygenating cleaner, that when you mix it with water and start scrubbing, it actually works inside the grout to help clean it. And then you need a spray bottle and a little brass stripping brush like this. With that cleaner, you want to go ahead and take it and sprinkle it onto the grout that you want to try and brighten up. Now there's a lot of brighteners and paints you can use, but this is kind of an easier way to see if you can get it clean. Go ahead and spray it and get that wet. You want to activate the cleaner and then use that brass brush and work it back and forth inside the grooves in between the ceramic tile or stone or whatever it is you're trying to clean. I want to scrub and get all of the stains and any kind of dirt and debris that's in there to work it in with this brass brush. And the brass, because even though it's metal, won't damage the tile. Now you don't want to go crazy, you really want to concentrate on the grout area as well. And once you get that scrubbed in, leave it. Let it sit for 10 minutes or so that it can kind of scrub and bubble away. Then scrub it one more time and kind of work the finishing touches in. Then with a little sponge and some water, you can wipe that all away. Once that dries, that grout is going to look a heck of a lot better. Now, it's a little bit of elbow grease, but if you take your time, you're going to fix it in 15 minutes, maybe a little longer.